Hi, I'm Anirudh from MyEra. Today, I'm going to show you the powers that your marketing assistant MyEra possesses. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so right now we are here on the login page. The URL reads myera.pro/login. I have my login credentials over here. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Let me help you understand how this dashboard works. All right. So first of all, here we're able to see the MyEra benchmark score, which essentially is your percentile-based score and helps you understand how you've been performing relative to how other users on MyEra have been performing, basically on Instagram. All right. So for getting these data points, first of all, you're required to link your Facebook account, which should be linked to your Instagram account. So right now I have my account linked. Otherwise, I would have clicked here on this button, which would have read link Facebook. All right. So once that is linked, you will be able to see all these things. On bottom right, there's post summary. This basically shows what you posted last on Instagram. This was the post that went live a few, I think, hours back. Okay, you could simply click on these buttons to uh, browse through your older posts. The performance chart shows how you've been performing over time. Okay, that's basically a summary of different engines that we have on MyEra. Let's get started with the first engine of MyEra, that is Trendwatch. Okay, what is Trendwatch? Trendwatch basically helps you keep a track of what has been trending across different platforms, helps you pick up some inspirations for your creators. This is the first version of Trendwatch, and pretty soon you'll be able to see a lot more in this section. So right now you're able to see what is trending on Twitter here in this section. So today in India, all these things are trending. I would want to see what is trending in Delhi, India. Okay, so what is trending here? Imran Khan. Okay, Gujarat Titans. There's a lot of cricket tags because right now IPL is going on. And then there's Will Smith. You could simply click on a tag to copy it, by the way. So Will Smith, it has been trending since this morning. The Oscar thing. So similarly, there are different tags. So you could pick up inspirations from here and use a tag for creative generation, which I'll be explaining how it works. Similarly, here you're able to see different posts, a lot of posts around Holi because Holi was just around the corner. And anyway, you're able to see these tags. So a lot of tags over here. You'll soon understand why I've been talking about these tags. Okay, let's get started with the creative generation part. Okay, so this is where you describe your query. You could simply, so if I want to create something around cricket, I could use a tag cricket. Similarly, if I want to create something around sleep, for example, and that is something which the platform has been suggesting. Okay, let's choose sleep simply. You go ahead. This is an interesting section. If you are a premium user and if you've requested for a personalized template according to your brand language, you would have your personalized templates over here. Otherwise, you could use from a pool of free templates, which basically is a section wherein all free users also can see these templates. Um, so I have a template specific to my brand, my era. Let's just choose this one and go ahead. This is the step wherein MyEra would start suggesting, copy options to you. We'll soon be making the AI-based engine live soon. But right now, let's just skip this step and go ahead and generate. Okay, what do we have here? This is the first creative. All right, what do we see here? Remember, we chose sleep as the tag as our query, so that's why you can see the platform has suggested something. For the text editing, as you can expect, this is where you edit the text. You'll have to see this is the body text over here in this template. It could be changed for different templates. The body text. So body text is this one. Okay, I'll simply say I want to sleep. That's just an example. You could have more creative ways of expressing yourself. All right, and I can choose from these fonts also. I like different kind of font. Let's just try this one. Okay, you could choose your brand specific font also. Um, I still don't like this font. I like this one more. Okay, all right, let's move ahead. You could obviously change the font color, the background color, if the template supports background change also. If you don't like this creative, what happens is you can simply click on when you click on next, the platform generates one more option for you. If you still don't like it, you simply click on next. See, that's the power of automation. All right, I go ahead. Let's just say I like this one. I'll maybe change the font color a bit. Okay. More options. Okay, I'm a lucky guy. See, this depends upon the platform. If the platform is able to run more iterations, it would do that for you. So there's no, I can't just say for the tag that you enter how many iterations the platform would be able to do. That depends upon the tag. Okay. Um, all right. Let's say I like this creative. I could either download this or save it for later. Why should I save it for later? Let's see what happens if I save it for later. Okay, so we have seen creative generation, we have seen Trendwatch. Let's head over to the saved creatives section. This is where your saved creatives go. So the one that we created recently, I mean, the one that I created right now, it's here. Now I could download it. Pretty soon I'll be able to edit it again, but right now that feature is not live. Uh, so let's head over to the post scheduler section next. Now this is where you could choose to share your content. I think which probably is the objective over here. You would want to share your content across multiple social media platforms. Simply click on create post. You could upload. If you click on upload, you'll be able to upload content from different platforms, the ones that you've saved on your systems. So you could upload that thing. Right now I would want to use the creative that I saved, that I generated on MyEra, and then I saved it on MyEra itself. So let's click on this button. Let's choose this one. Okay, I have my creative over here. I could type in the caption. I could type in the hashtags also. Once I'm ready, I'll have to choose where I would want to publish this. I want to publish it on Instagram and Facebook simultaneously. If I'm ready to go right away, I can simply click on post now, and the content would be shared on Instagram and Facebook. If I want to schedule it for later, as some marketers would want to do that, so I can choose any date. Let's say I choose 31st, and then 6:15 p.m. should be fine. If I click on schedule here, it will schedule the post for me. I don't want to do that right now because I have the company account link. Okay, so I guess this is it for now. I'll quickly summarize things. Okay, on this page, on the overview, you're able to see the summary of how you've been performing on social media. Trendwatch helps you keep track of the trends, and you could pick up some inspirations from here. Saved creatives is the section where your creatives get saved. Post scheduler is your friend basically, and it can help you plan weeks ahead, and never miss uh, a day in terms of maintaining your streak, your posting streak. And how to use section is where you would be able to see this video or some other video once updates are rolled out. And remove watermark is a section wherein you upgrade your plans and pay for different tiers. All right, so I guess this is it for now. Pretty soon we'll be rolling out more and more updates, more major updates. Right now the platform is at the beta phase, and we are really eager to end this beta phase and share with you the full platform, and so that we can get your feedback and add value to your lives. Pretty soon, we will be announcing, you know, the initiation of our app, the mobile-based app, and you should follow us on social media, especially on Instagram, to stay updated with all these things. So it has been great interacting with you guys. I understand this has been one way, but I know you guys love the platform, and you know, uh, I'm really delighted to share these updates with you. So take care, be happy, and I look forward to getting back to you guys with more and more updates. Thank you. It has been great. This is Anirudh Sharma signing off. I'm the CEO and co-founder of MyEra. If you want to reach out to me, just reach out to me over LinkedIn or anywhere. You guys know how to find me. All right. Thank you so much. Take care.